Hey, YouTube, Galaxy Fold 2 has two batteries with a combined capacity of 4,365 mAh. Samsung's second foldable smartphone tablet hybrid, the Galaxy Fold 2, will conceal a battery configuration similar to the original Galaxy Fold. The sequel will be powered by two separate batteries with a combined capacity of 4,365 mAh, down from the original Galaxy Fold's 4,380 mAh. According to a couple of screenshots passed along on Twitter by the tech guy depicting regulatory documents, the Galaxy Fold 2 features a 2,275 mAh main battery coupled with a 2,090 mAh secondary unit. In contrast, the original Galaxy Fold combined a 2,135 mAh battery with a 2,245 mAh one. Will battery life be the same on the Galaxy Fold 2? The original Galaxy Fold isn't a perfect device, it doesn't suffer from bad battery life, despite the phone's crazy specifications, such as its 2 displays and 6 cameras. The Galaxy Fold's dual battery system with a combined capacity of 4,380 mAh or 4,235 mAh in the case of the Galaxy Fold 5G serve it well, but will this remain true for the Galaxy Fold 2 and its 4,365 mAh unit? The Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to have similar dimensions to the OG model, so it makes sense for it to lack the necessary physical space to accommodate a much larger battery. In practice, the 15 mAh discrepancy between the existing and the upcoming model won't make a noticeable difference at all, so the only way for the Galaxy Fold 2 to achieve better battery life is to leverage better optimization and a more power-efficient chipset. Furthermore, the Galaxy Fold 2 could be using LTPO backplane technology for its display, and this alone can contribute to 15%-20% better energy management. On one hand, these advancements put together should lead to better autonomy, but on the other, the Galaxy Fold 2's cover display is also expected to be considerably larger. Having said that, it's too early to determine exactly how the Galaxy Fold 2 will perform, so we'll have to wait for Samsung to release the device in August-September, after which we'll finally be able to compare battery life between the old and the new. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Peace.